Have you ever stopped to think about how your favorite TV show, the nightly news, or even that niche streaming channel you love just works? How it all gets on the air so seamlessly? Well, behind all of it, there's this powerful, invisible engine running the entire show. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on that hidden force, broadcast automation. Okay, before we really dive in, just a quick heads up. This is part 6 of a big 11-part series from Virtualization Options LLC. It's a vendor-neutral look at broadcast automation solutions. Now, we're building this based on open source, public information, and you know how that goes. It can change. So if any of this sparks your interest for real, we strongly recommend you go and verify the latest details directly with the vendors themselves. All right, let's get into it. All right, here's our game plan. First, we're going to nail down what broadcast automation actually is. Then, we'll take a little trip back in time to see how this whole industry evolved. After that, we'll crunch the numbers, and trust me, they're big. And finally, we'll map out all the key players and pieces in this fascinating world. First things first, let's get right to the heart of it. The best way to think about broadcast automation is as the engine room, or maybe the central nervous system, of any modern media company. It's the core technology that makes everything else you see on screen even possible. So what does that mean in plain English? Well, it's the tech that handles pretty much everything behind the scenes. It's what schedules the right show to play at exactly the right time, what seamlessly rolls the commercial breaks, and what puts the right graphics on the screen. It makes sure the entire broadcast runs like clockwork, 24/7, without a human having to sit there and press every single button. Now, this kind of sophisticated technology didn't just appear out of thin air. It has gone through an absolutely incredible transformation over the years. So let's look at that evolution, from these giant clunky tape machines all the way to the super smart cloud-based systems we use today. And what's really wild when you look at this is just the sheer speed of it all. I mean, in the 90s, we had actual robots physically grabbing videotapes and slotting them into machines. Fast forward to the 2000s, and it's all about digital files. And now, it's all happening over IP networks and virtual systems with AI in the cloud, analyzing content on the fly. The leap in technology in just a few decades is, well, it's staggering. So this whole evolution isn't just a cool tech story. It's what's fueling a massive, and I mean massive, global industry that's growing like crazy. Let's dig into the numbers and see why automation is such a huge deal right now, from a business standpoint. It's a great question, right? We're talking about the fundamental technology that powers media all over the world. So are we talking about a small niche market, or is this something much, much bigger? Well, this chart says it all. The market for just the playout automation part was worth over $2 billion this year, in 2024. But look at that projection. It's set to nearly triple, to almost $6 billion by 2030. That isn't just growth, that's an explosion. So what's fueling this rocket ship? Honestly, it's us. It's our demand for super sharp 4K content. It's the explosion of streaming services and all those free ad-supported channels. All of this is forcing the industry to find smarter, more scalable solutions, and that means pushing everything towards the cloud. Okay, so we've seen the massive scale of this market. Now let's zoom in a little bit. The broadcast automation industry isn't just one monolithic thing. It's actually made up of a few key segments that all work together. This chart right here tells a really powerful story. Software now makes up over 55% of the entire market. That is a fundamental shift. It signals a move away from buying expensive, specialized boxes of hardware towards more flexible, powerful software that can run anywhere, especially in the cloud. This changes the game completely. And this table gives us a fantastic little snapshot of the whole industry. So, where's it all being deployed? The cloud is the fastest growing area, pulling in over half the revenue last year. What's it being used for? Well, good old-fashioned television broadcasting is still the biggest piece of the pie. And where's the biggest market? Right now, it's North America, with its advanced infrastructure leading the way. So, we've watched this industry go from physical tapes to intelligent clouds in what feels like the blink of an eye. The tech just keeps getting smarter, faster, and more powerful every single year. And that brings us to one final big question. With AI and the cloud driving this evolution forward at lightning speed, what part of the media we watch every single day is going to be automated next?